Sanibonani, igama lami nguPhumzile wakwaPhoko, ngisebenza kwi-marketing department kumsakazo Ukhozi FM. So mina isikhathi esiningi bengi-interact-a noma ngisebenzisana kakhulu noNjinji uma ngabe sizohamba siyosakaza ngaphandle singeke size sibe la emsakazweni. So kunama instances nje amaningi engiwakhumbulayo uma ngicabanga uNjinji. Kuneyodwa nje engingasoze ngayikhohlwa. I think kwakunyaka oqala ngifile la ekhaya siyosebenzela, I think sasiyosebenzela eDandi kodwa silele Vryheid Black Horse. Wafona kuNjinji, I think it was around 11 p.m. engitshela ukuthi yena use Black Rock eNewcastle. Lapho isebusuku ukhathele drive all the way from Durban eya eNewcastle. Wangitshela nje ukuthi hayi cha yena angakasezi lapho yena futhi uvele wabona uBlack wayitshela ukuthi hayi eNewcastle. Sadonsisana ke nje saxabana nje impela. The whole time I was just worried ukuthi yazi kuthini sho lo muntu kusasa ngeke aze afike lapho kuleyo OB. Awuna ngempela wafika futhi wafika on time. Mase fikile ke, one thing also I liked about uNjinji was that even ngathiwa mhlambe awumthole efonini or akaphendula ama emails sometimes because that was just enye ama personalities akhe, kodwa mase efikile ubenza sure ukuthi uya deliver every link ayenzayo, azise umlalela ambeke esithombeni ukuthi sike nendawo sizokwenza. Uyibuza ukuthi hawu yonke le information ubese ithathephi ngoba wona ubungamthola ola lonke, kodwa kuyatshengisa ukuthi i-preparation yakhe uma ngabe ezoyosakaza ngaphandle ubenza sure ukuthi uyayenza and futhi uyayenzisisa. Sihambe nje client, there's never an instance la kwaba khona nje isikhathi where client complains about umsebenzi waNjinji uma ngabe esebenza ngaphandle. So ngithi kuyena kumndeni nje waNjinji somkhumbula kakhulu, somkhumbula nje futhi even as the marketing department ukuthi sisebenze kamnandi naye. uNjinji ube umuntu mengabenza iphutha axolise, le instance engikhuluma ngayo nje wangifonela ngakusasa wathi what, imina owenza mistake, ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Lokho kwangitshengisa ukuthi even as big as he was kodwa wayekwazi ukuthi azehlise abe ku level yakho axolise, and that's one of ama characters ebengiwathanda ngayo uNjinji. So ulale kahle Njinji, Mabul Benze, mfana kaMhlabi yalingana kwakhubalo Limbiwe egcekeni. So khumbula kakhulu, September nomndeni wakho uzoduduzeka nabantwana bakho sikubonile ubathanda kula besihamba khona sosebenza khona buhamba nawo amantombazana akho. I know ukuthi bazokhumbula kakhulu baduduzeke. Yabonga.